Now, how do you disable the silent mode on your Android? Let's get started. So this kind of thing has like different layers, as I like to call it. So at first, if you want to disable the silent mode, the simplest method is to be on the home screen, swipe down to access the control center, and the speaker icon is likely set to vibrate or mute. So just tap it a few times until the full sound option is turned on, which means that the silent mode is disabled and we have the regular mode turned on. For more customization and option, hold down on this toggle right here and it moves you over to the settings app. So in here you can again switch between the mute, vibrate, and a sound mode. So the same thing here as well. But below you also have some options for ringtones and vibration, system volume, system vibration, and some different things which you want to ensure are set up the way that you want it. So just go through it, right? Obviously set up the volume levels for individual things as much as you like. So it's all up to you. But then you also have the vibrations, as I said, so go through that as well. But what could also happen is that not only you have these like sounds and things disabled, but you might also be part of a mode or routine. So inside of the settings, you have this thing called modes and routines, as I said, and without you even realizing, you might have some of them enabled, and this might end up still silencing your phone without any intention. And so let's say that you click on work, and if you find that you have it turned on automatically by place or time period, then you don't even need to do anything and it still just keeps on turning on automatically. So you want to ensure that you don't have any kind of scheduling enabled and none of the modes right here are enabled, which could interfere with your desired way to use your phone. So that would be about it. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do exactly what you wanted. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.